Chatbots versus conversational AI, what's the difference? In today's digital world, chatbots and conversational AI have become integral parts of customer service. Let's explore the differences between these technologies and how they impact customer interactions. Chatbots simulate human conversations and follow predefined scripts, excelling at basic information and simple inquiries, but struggle with complex user intents and lack conversational abilities. On the other hand, conversational AI leverages advanced technologies like natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to understand and interpret user intent in a more sophisticated manner. Apple's Siri and Amazon's Alexa popularized conversational AI, highlighting its capacity for human-like interactions. The key distinctions between chatbots and conversational AI stem from their technologies and capabilities. Conversational AI platforms enable seamless integration with systems, databases, and APIs, allowing real-time information access and facilitating complex tasks such as reservations and transactions. Chatbots provide basic support, reduce response times, and automate tasks for operational efficiency. Conversational AI delivers personalized and engaging experiences, resulting in higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Now, let's explore some examples of conversation bots developed by Boost.ai, a leading conversational AI platform. 1. Customer support bot deployed by a major telecom provider. It handles a wide range of inquiries, reduces support agent load, and improves response times. 2. Banking bot that assists customers with various tasks. It understands complex banking terminology, provides personalized recommendations, and operates securely. 3. Retail bot that helps customers with product recommendations, order tracking, and returns. It engages in interactive conversations, guiding customers towards suitable products. These are just a few examples of how conversation bots can be utilized. Conversational AI's versatility allows businesses to tailor bots to specific use cases. The right technology choice enhances customer experiences, drives efficiency, and meets specific business needs. In conclusion, chatbots and conversational AI have transformed customer support, enhancing satisfaction, streamlining operations, and ensuring a competitive edge for businesses. Choose the right technology based on your needs and unlock the full potential of intelligent virtual assistants for your business success. Read our full blog Chatbots versus Conversational AI, what's the difference? At Infraon blog.